I think the best evidence is when allopathic doctors come to our practice in our clinic to take homeopathic medicine. It is the best evidence what we give to the society. Now I am going to start my clinic. As my turn is to treat the patient, not the disease, is a basic concept of homeopathy. In this case, where endometriosis, renal calculi and hepatomegaly were present, are treated with homeopathic single medicines and all symptoms disappear in a very short time. Regarding the disease, I am giving a brief introduction. Endometriosis is a painful disease clinically present with heavy menstrual bleeding. Generally, patient age group is 25 to 25 years old. Heavy pain. Renal stone is common nowadays in society due to change in living style. Generally, people rush to other systems for quick relief. But in this case, patients come to me after the diagnosis. Hepatomegaly is also a common problem in our modern society where the patient is a professional such as engineer or in other highly ambiguous position. The scope of homeopathy in treating such cases and established its place in medical science for prevention of all three diseases, especially endometriosis case which will establish its place in medical science for prevention of surgical operation. Homeopathic treatment for the case. Homeopathy is one of the most popular holistic system of medicine. The selection of remedy is based upon the symptoms of the case and symptom similarity by using holistic approach. The aim of homeopathy is not only to treat endometriosis, hepatomegaly or renal stone, but also to address its underlying causes and individual susceptibility. For individualized remedy selection and treatment, we should always keep in mind to treat the patient, not the disease. This is because of all diseases are of different forms can be treated at a time with one medicine only. The case showed relief in symptoms and pathology with homeopathic medicines prescribed on symptoms of the case which covered totality of symptoms. Ultrasonographic examinations revealed right renal calculi, hepatomegaly and endometriosis. Patient was treated according to homeopathic principles and followed up for 8 months, resulting in total relief of signs and symptoms. Calicar was selected on the basis of symptoms covering totality. Calicar not only relieved presenting complaints but also reduced the other associated symptoms like weakness, back pain, loss of appetite, etc. Thus upholding the principle of homeopathy as a holistic approach. This is verified in this present study. Now I will read the case. Present complaint: pain, whole abdomen, acidity, heaviness in abdomen, belching, erections, profuse menstrual bleeding, spotting between periods and loss of appetite. Present complaint in details: 2 days before, all of a sudden when she feels pain in whole abdomen, she becomes restless with profuse perspiration, excruciating intermittent pain that radiates from the flank to groin.